How to use Deepseek v3 in Vscode 2025. Now, if you want to integrate DeepSeek's chat-based AI into your Visual Studio Code, then you are in the right place because it's really simple. All you're going to do is go over to your Visual Studio Code and go over to the extensions section, and you can find it on the very own DeepSeek website as well. What you're simply going to be doing is you can either add API integrations for yourself where this is the code, and I'm going to leave this link over here that you can go over to. This is the API integration code that you can add. Or what you can do is just go over to your VS Code extensions, search in DeepSeek AI Assistant, and enable real-time code completion. And that is about it. That is how you can go ahead and get DeepSeek in VS Code. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.